Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best outdoor chalkboard sign available in the market right now.
The HBCY Creations A-Frame Chalkboard.
Whether you're running a restaurant, cafe, or planning a wedding,
this versatile signage solution promises to elevate your message with style and functionality. Let's start with the basics. This A-frame chalkboard boasts a solid pine wood frame and a magnetic porcelain steel writing surface,
which means durability is never in question. It's built to withstand the elements while maintaining its charm, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use.
One of the standout features is its double-sided design.
You get a generous 40 by 20 writing surface on each side. Plus, the magnetic surface adds another layer of functionality, perfect for attaching business card holders or decorative magnets.
When it comes to practicality, this chalkboard shines. It's foldable with heavy-duty hinges and a sturdy metal chain, making storage and transport a breeze.
Whether you're setting up for a sidewalk sale or packing up after an event, this A-frame is designed for convenience. Now, let's talk about usability. Whether you prefer traditional chalk or modern chalkboard markers, this board handles both with ease. The non-porous surface ensures easy cleaning without any ghosting, so your messages are always crisp and clear. Beyond its practicality, the HBCY Creations A-Frame Chalkboard offers a rustic aesthetic that complements any setting. Its torched brown finish adds a touch of vintage charm, making it not just a functional piece but also a stylish addition to your decor. To sum it up, whether you're updating daily specials at your cafe, directing guests at a wedding, or simply adding a welcoming touch to your storefront, this chalkboard from HBCY Creations ticks all the boxes. It's durable, versatile, and looks fantastic in any environment. So, if you're in the market for a reliable outdoor chalkboard sign that combines quality craftsmanship with practical design, look no further than the HBCY Creations A-Frame Chalkboard. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and where to get yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time, happy displaying!